On this episode, we're going to take a look at a cutie.
Talking about me, Dad?
She is cute. This is my daughter, Sam. She was a bit smaller last time she was on with me. No, I'll say it a bit slower. A QT. That is a quick tip. So, with no further ado, I'm Dave TTC. This is Dave's Cave, Australia. Let's get to it. We're going to take a look at how to make reference lines, how to be able to put things where we want it. Sometimes we are designing something and we want to put it in a very specific spot, or maybe we're trying to work with a phone or some article where we want to put something in a very specific measurement. We're going to have a look at how to give ourselves reference lines. Once upon a time, before the latest update, I used to draw boxes using toolpaths and stuff like that, but now they've made it easier. Let's just have a look at the screen. Looking at the screen, we've got our mouse here, and here we've got our trusty old dinosaur. Let our mouse go over towards the numbers, and it's not until we go past the numbers that it changes shape. Right click, right click, and here we can drag a line across, and it snaps into place there on the 60 on the y-axis, and we'll go up to the top and again do the same thing, drag it and get it down onto the y-axis. Very simple. But what happens if you want that somewhere quite specific? Well, here's a little thing you can do. So you're on your select tool, highlight it, and in your position you can see it's on 60. You can change that and just type in 57. There it changes. You can go in and change that again and make it 92.5, and there it goes. The other thing you can do is come over to your grid array and add more in. And of course you can do this on your y-axis as well. You can shift that and make that 73.697 because that's how accurate you want to be. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. Just a quick small tip on what you can do with your reference lines in order to make your design and your layout simpler. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye for now.